space news. If you might be able to tell, I'm a little bit sick today, so if this sounds a little weird, that's why. But we got some pretty good stories today. Only a few, unfortunately. So let's just hop right into it. So first up, the Tanpopo mission, which is a mission launched by Japan, has come back with some interesting findings. So what the Tanpopo mission is it was a spacecraft with a bunch of bacteria colonies in it. And so what it's been doing for the past 3 years is it's been in space, and the bacteria have been exposed to the, I guess, properties of space. So like, there's no air, UV rays, all that good stuff that you don't want happening to you. And so what they found is that after all that time, the bacteria was still alive. And so this brings up an interesting theory, is that we, or rather species, can travel to different planets via bacteria on like asteroids and stuff and survive in the conditions of space. This is a theory called panspermia, by the way. So tell me in the comments below if you think that actually might be legit, because that could mean that we as humans came from a different planet. So, you know, pretty crazy stuff. But yeah, comments below, tell me what you think about that. Alright, next up in the news, you might remember the the ISS had an air leak recently, for a week now actually. And so the Expedition 33 team, or crew, which you see here, has to stay in the Russian suite, or I guess segment, so that they aren't exposed to this air leak. So the air leak is still there, by the way, and they're still looking for it, but fortunately it's small enough that it's not hazardous. So I hope you guys on the Expedition 36 crew are all good. Not that you're gonna see this, but you know, if you do, I would be amazed. But yeah, so that's still going on. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'm hoping that whoever finds the air leak will fix it properly so that it doesn't happen again. It might be a really big issue in the future. I honestly don't know how that even got there. Hopefully we'll find out in the near future. So yeah, hope you have what am I saying? Good luck with that, and yeah. Alright, next one in the news, we have AI once again. AI is actually taking over everything, guys, I'm telling you. So AI has recently identified, get this, 80,000 different spiral galaxies. And that is pretty freaking insane, I must say. Like, 80,000 is no joke. I just want to emphasize this. AI is really taking over, like, every field. It's crazy. But hopefully, you know, they don't become the Terminator and kill us. I'm hoping that doesn't happen. It might, which might be why we have to go to Mars. So as you guys can see, AI and space sort of linking up in that graphic way. Yeah, tell me in the comments below what you think about this, because if AI does take over, what are your plans? You know what I mean? Suddenly, I'd like to know. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. But final story we have for today, Starlink systems again. Elon, my man, is back in the news, and not for a good reason this time though. It's actually quite bad. The astronomers are thinking that the Starlink satellites, which there are actually hundreds of now in different forms, will hinder research, because astronomers have been trying to get rid of light pollution for like many years now, because that helps them see faraway galaxies and whatnot. But the Starlink satellites are, again, easily visible from Earth, so you can think of how that would hinder it. And so they only have hundreds up right now, only, but they're planning to have like thousands and thousands of these covering the entire world. And so really this could be a big problem for astronomers. And so they might have to make like space station or new space stations just for telescopes or something, because already the observatories are in remote locations so that they can actually be away from light. So again, tell me what you think about this. This might be a big problem, especially for space research. So would you rather have internet, or would you rather learn about galaxies? Then again, if you don't have internet, how are you going to learn about galaxies? Yeah, leave it in the comments below. But that is it for today's episode of Infinite Space News. So if you like it, like it. Please subscribe, because I still only have 1 subscriber, and it's getting a little sad. And also, if you subscribe, you can hear all about the space news on this channel and stay up to date. Yeah, that's it. So do what you need to do, and I will see you tomorrow. But bye for now.